Got some more corn. Let's see. Oh, it's already waiting on me. Must have heard me pouring it into the container. Come on. There's a baby right there. There's a 5-pointer. Let's see if I can get him on here. Give them a few minutes, they'll all come running in. Gotta get 2 scoops because there's a doe that they pick on, all of them. She doesn't get to eat too much. Starting to get kind of skinny. So I put a pile way over here, and she's been coming over here to eat. And they don't pick on her as much. I separate them. Kind of mean. Yep, here they come.